Islamabad today report British High Commissioner Jane Marriott visited the National Press Club to express solidarity with the journalistic community on the occasion of International Journalism Day. On the arrival of NPC, President Azza Jatwa, Secretary Nair Ali, Finance Secretary Waqar Ahmed Abbasi and members of the executive and governing body warmly welcomed the distinguished guest and presented flowers. And the distinguished guest was welcomed by the executive and members of the governing body on arrival at the National Press Club. They appreciated the services of the British High Commissioner Jane Marriott for closer relations between Pakistan and the United Kingdom and said that after 1 year of her deployment in Pakistan, during this period, the close friendly relations between the two countries have further improved, which is a welcome development. He informed the distinguished guest about the National Press Club and its events and the role of the Women Journalist Caucus. British High Commissioner Jane Marriott, while talking to NPC's program Meet the Press, said that it is a great pleasure to come to the National Press Club. It is a great honor to speak to the journalistic community on the occasion of International Journalism Day. I have loved journalism since childhood. It was a hobby. I myself have been associated with the field of journalism in the past. Freedom of expression has an important place in the society. It is difficult to work as a journalist in difficult areas. The current situation for journalists around the world is no less than threats and challenges. Free media is also of great importance in the society. British High Commissioner Kamzade said that before the deployment in Pakistan, he had done diplomacy in many countries. Environmental change has affected the whole world. We have to deal with these challenges together. Pakistan is facing a difficult economic situation at that time. Pakistan will have to make the right decisions to overcome these challenges. Britain will continue its support for a strong and stable Pakistan. The Pakistan cricket team is going to Britain this month. There will be a lot of enjoyment. Pakistani journalists will be dealt on a preferential basis for coverage in the cricket matches between Pakistan and Great Britain. On behalf of the governing body members, the theme of this year's World Press Freedom Day has been set on journalism on the environmental crisis. Accordingly, the British High Commissioner also planted a sapling at the National Press Club. A large number of senior journalists, besides executive and governing body members of the press club, were present on the occasion.